Welcome. If you've been getting too many notifications on Instagram lately, especially those channel reply likes alerts, you're definitely not alone. The good news is, Instagram has made it pretty simple to turn these off right from your computer. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, open Instagram on your web browser. Just go to Instagram.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open up more options. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you can manage all the alerts Instagram sends you. After that, look for push notifications and click into it. Even though you're on a PC, this is where Instagram groups most notification controls. Scroll through the list until you find channel reply likes. This is the setting responsible for notifying you whenever someone likes a reply in a channel conversation. If those alerts are becoming distracting or just unnecessary, here's the important part. Select Off.